So now it's time to cut, and I'm kind of nervous because I'm cutting through basically a structural part of the RV. Here we are, day 7. I started pulling a lot of the ceiling panels down and a lot of the wall paneling to see what was behind there, see what the construction actually looked like, because I don't know how this thing is built. Right here is the front entry of Chappie. There's gonna be a little bit of modification going on right here. Here's where the old exhaust vent fan used to be for the overhead cook. So unbeknownst to me, this paneling had a metal rib kind of structure. And you can kind of see the little ghost lines right here and right here. They basically kept the foam boards together. Now that they're gone, I have a lot of flex in this wall. They're gone, they're in the trash, they're probably in a dump somewhere. I'm thinking I'm going to reframe this entire area and get a little bit more structure. 69 to 1/16. And that 1/16 is my living room. And I want to gauge how much material I want to take off. Really good. So, never have a marker when you need one, right? Marker. So the void right here in between, that's the material I'm going to take off so it can fit this board. So now it's time to cut, and I'm kind of nervous because I'm cutting through basically a structural part of the RV. So I kind of figured I would try out my new tool. I got this roto zip because I want to cut out that window over there, and the roto zip is a lot easier to control in comparison to my jigsaw, which sometimes gives you kickback and it shakes the entire RV and you can get a lot of tear out. So I already set the depth, which is basically a 1/16 of an inch shorter than the actual full thickness of the material. This should hopefully give you a nice clean line, and the material should just fall out real easy. Let's try it out, and hopefully I don't break anything. Very satisfied with the cut. Test fit of what it looks like. It sits a little proud right here, so I'm probably going to end up ripping it on my table saw just to make sure it's nice and flush with the foam board. Now to get this thing secure, I'm going to put a pocket hole up here and one down there, screwing to the top plate and the bottom plate. This should give this a little bit more structural support and rigidity, especially in this door frame area. Money. Beautiful. Okay, now it's about that time to install liquid nail all in this channel right here and make this permanent. This prop right here is just going to put tension on the board to let it dry nice and even with some pressure.